These numbers appear in all kinds of natural patterns, like the arrangement of leaves on a stem, the pattern of a pine cone, and even the spots on some ladybugs. Lulu was amazed. So my spots are special because of this Fibonacci sequence? Oliver nodded. That's right, Lulu. And not just your spots. Patterns like the spiral of a sunflower or the shell of a snail all follow this magical sequence. It's as if nature has its own blueprint, written in the language of mathematics. Lulu fluttered her wings with excitement. Wow, I never knew I was part of something so special. From that day on, Lulu looked at her spots with a new sense of pride.